Holly McKhann coming to you from delightful Dana Point. We have a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo just listed, 700 square feet in this charming little community called Harbor Creek. There's running streams, the sounds of bubbling brooks, and you can even catch ducks sometime. Let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. As you enter the front door, you see the open concept with the living room that's open to the dining room. You see natural light coming in from the sliding patio door that opens to one of the little delightful streams. It's a great place to enjoy morning coffee or afternoon wine. Just relax whenever it's convenient for you. The dining area can fit a comfortable table for 4, and it also features a ceiling fan for an extra breeze. The kitchen has been highly upgraded. It features stainless steel appliances, including a slide-in range and a farmhouse sink. Double doors open the way to the primary suite, which is plenty spacious, features recessed lights and a brand new ceiling fan. The bathroom is open to a linen storage area with a built-in, really nice drawers and cabinetry. You've also got a walk-in closet with a built-in organizer, and the bathroom has a brand new vanity. Directly adjacent to the community, Sycamore Creek Park and Trail provides endless opportunities for recreation, from dog walks and family and friends outings to fitness with built-in exercise stations. The scenic trails connect seamlessly to both Del Obispo and Creekside parks. Harbor Creek residents enjoy exclusive amenities including a sparkling pool and spa, pet-friendly green spaces, covered carports, and secure gated parking. Nearby, Del Obispo Park expands your lifestyle options even further with tennis, pickleball, handball, and basketball courts. Whether you're searching for a full-time residence, a vacation retreat, or an investment property, this home could be perfect for you. Don't miss out on this little delightful piece of Dana Point.